Welcome to the session of Triangle and its properties. Let's move on our exercise 6.5. In our exercise 6.5, first question is PQR is a triangle which is a right angle at P. If PQ is 10 centimeter, PR is 24 centimeter, find QR. Now in this triangle, it is labeled on the figure itself. We are going to apply Pythagoras theorem which we have learned in our previous one, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square from the Pythagoras property. Now we are having 10 square plus 24 square, which is equal to 100 plus 576 equal to 676. But this is the value of QR square. We need to find QR, which is equal to under root 676 equal to 26 centimeter. So the required length of QR is 26 centimeter. Now moving to question number 2, that is ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter, find BC. In this triangle is right angled at C, so this is equal to AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, in which BC value has not been given to us. So BC square plus 7 square equal to 25 square by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property. So this is equal to BC square is equal to 49, BC square plus 49 equal to 625. So BC square is equal to 625 minus 49 equal to 576. So BC equal to under root 576, which is equal to 24 centimeter. This is the required length of BC. Moving to question number 3. Is a 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground by placing it against the wall at a distance A. Find the distance from the foot of the ladder from the wall. In this 15-meter, 12-meter and the base is A, hence the ladder from the right angle triangle, that is A square plus 12 square equal to 15 square, means hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So A square plus 144 equal to 225. So A square is equal to 225 minus 144, which is equal to 81. So A is under root 81 equal to 9 meter. So distance from the foot of the ladder is 9 meter. Moving to question number 4. Which of the following can be the side of right triangle? In this, given sides are 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So square of the longer side, that is 6.5 centimeter, is equal to 42.25 centimeter, and sum of the square of other two sides is 2.5 square plus 6 square is equal to 6.25 plus 36 equal to 42.25 centimeter. Since the square of the longer side of a triangle is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, so given sides of these are the given sides of the triangle. In this way you can try for second and third part. Moving to question number 5. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of a tree. Find the original height of the tree. In this, we have been given value of AC as 5 centimeter and AD as 12 centimeter. So by applying Pythagoras property, we can find out the value of CD. CD square is equal to AD square plus AC square, that is equal to 12 square plus 5 square, which is 144 plus 25 equal to 169. So CD is equal to under root 169 equal to 13 meter. But CD is equal to BC, that means AC plus BC equal to AB. 5 centimeter plus 13 centimeter, that part is being added which is broken, and that will become AB equal to 18 meter. Moving to question number 6. Angles of Q and R of triangle PQR 25 and 65 degree. Write the following is true. PQ square plus QR square equal to RP square. In this, we'll be taking, we know angle P plus Q plus R equal to 180 by angle sum property. Sum of all the three angles of triangle is 180. So P plus 25 plus 65 equal to 180. So angle P is equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle, right angled at P. We can go for first part. PQ plus QR is not equal to RP square according to Pythagoras. Another one is also is true because PQ square plus RP square is equal to QP square, and third one is not true because it is not equal. Moving to question number 7, find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and diagonal is 41 centimeter. The length is 40, diagonal is 41. In right angle triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. In this 40 square plus BC square is equal to 41 square. So BC square is equal to 1681 minus 1600, that is equal to 81. So BC is under root 81, that is 9 centimeter. AB is equal to DC is equal to 40 centimeter. That is the required perimeter is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is 40 plus 9 plus 40 plus 9 is equal to 98 centimeter. Moving to question number 8, that is the diagonal of the rhombus measures 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Let ABCD is the rhombus whose diagonal intersect each other at O, since AC is equal to 16 centimeter and BC is equal to 30 centimeter. Since the diagonal of the rhombus they bisect each other, so OA is equal to AC 8 centimeter and OB is equal to OD 15 centimeter. In right angle triangle OAB, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, that is 8 square plus 15 square equal to 64 plus 225 equal to 289. AB is equal to under root 289, that is 17 centimeter. Since AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that is the property of the rhombus, all the four sides are equal. So required perimeter of the rhombus is 4 into side, that is 4 into 17, that is 68 centimeter. So with this you have completed your exercise 6.5. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.